Hey everybody, I wanted to showcase the application that I made. I used the language SQL. That's what I chose to learn this week, or these couple weeks. I also used Python for this, so I can make it more user-friendly. Um, so it's basically a way for a user to manipulate a database of employees, and I can show you kind of how it works. So let me play it real quick, let it load. Give it a little second to start up and everything. Okay, so as you can see, it shows the user interface for like a little menu to help the user make certain actions for the database. You can see if I press one, it can display the database. So we have this is what it is so far. The IDs, the first name, last name, position, salary, hire date, department, and let's do let's add a person to it. So let's do three. We'll add. Let's give an ID. Let's see, what is the, we'll do 6 because that's not used yet. First name, let's just do, I don't know, what's a good name? We'll just do John. And then last name, we'll do Henry. Let me make that capitalized real quick. And then the position, let's just say he is a math teacher. The starting pay, let's just say 20,000. And then let's say he got hired on, let's put a random date, 2024 or 2024. Yeah, go. And then you choose the department that he's in. So this would be educational. So there we go. And so now he has now been added to the database. So if we search or let's display it real quick. And so we got, yep, there's John Henry, ID 6. He is now in the database. Let's do update. So let's update him real quick. So let's say his name actually wasn't John. So we'll update by clicking 4. And let's see, we want to change his first name. This tells you what you want to update. We'll just update his first name. And let's choose the ID for which one you want to do. It goes 6. So we'll choose 6. And we'll change his first name to Alex. That's what it was meant to put in there, I guess. And press enter. And so that has been updated now. Let's display and see. So yeah, Alex Henry, that's what it is. You can update any aspect of it. You can do the salary, you can do the date, you can do pretty much anything on here if you want to change it and update it. So let's actually, maybe we actually didn't really want to put him on there. So let's just delete. So we can do what we like to do. We can delete. And the ID for who we want to delete is 6. And now let's display. And so, yep, he's no longer there, not in there at all. And so let's also see what we can do. Let's do the search employees so we can just like search different employees. So let's do last name, and we'll do carrier. That's me and my wife's last name. And as you see, it pulls up me and my wife. So all of these functionalities are working: display, search, add employee, update. Let me exit out of that, delete, and exit. So since we did it, we'll just exit out of here. And just to make sure it's still working, let's run it again. Yeah, and we'll display the database. And yep, it's all back there. And yeah, so this is my program, and hope you liked it.